Hey guys, welcome back to Ethan's channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. He posts weekly with awesome content.
On the bright side, yeah. On the bright side.
Hey yo, what's good? We out here, Ethan Hill Vlogs.
Yeah, one leg out that brand new Benz way. Hometown asking in my wrist, yeah. Repetition from my chest, that's a bench press. Studio, we chillin', all we You wish I was piss poor, saw they getting mad, but what they really
Ethan Hill Vlogs. Oh my god.
Alright guys, so we're on a trip and I got Dylan with me and I got Zach and Jordan and Tyler are back there. And so we're in Montreal right now. We just went to Amy's M. Yo, we're vlogging. No, we're better vloggers. No, but anyways, we're gonna go get food right now.
You did a backflip off that.
Yeah, this music here became my only lifeline. Think I'm going crazy, I'm not in my right mind. No. Welcome to my life, yeah.
Here in this like place in Canada, it's like this like pizza shop. Really good. You should come here. Don't know the name.
You've never even had their pizza or any. You've had their water.
It's really good though. This is like some quality water.
Yeah, this music here became my only lifeline. Think I'm going crazy, I'm not in my right mind.
Medium?
Small.
Small? 675. For you?
Mine on Instagram. Is it
YouTube.
Is it? Oh, YouTube. You film the blogs, sir?
Yeah.
You do? Oh my God. Have a nice day. Yes. Bye.
With the beats on the hook, I'll be catchy on the 16s. I'm a freak. I'll be texting with Destiny about time that we meet. She ain't bout it for you. I bet she's bout it for me, for real. On the bright side, yeah, this music here became my only life.
You're so annoying. Yeah.
Trust me, darling, there's no need to be alone. There's no need to be alone now. Let me offer. Show me your love. There's no need to be alone now. You're alone and alive. Yeah, this is the moonlight. To be alone now. I know.
I love beef bags. Okay guys, so we're on the bus right now. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching my vlog today. No, my vlog. My vlog. Yeah, we're on nice ending in Montreal and really hope you guys watched the video today. It was completely radical.
It was absolutely radical. Radical with a capital K in the middle.
Our night is ending in Montreal. It's so sad, but really looking forward to next time. Peace out, y'all. I'm actually not British. You actually think I was British? Like, I actually had such great British accent. Thank you, y'all. Subscribe down below. I really earned this.